Okay, we're at the stage now where we want to start putting our blocks down. Now we're going to be starting up against the hard surface here. So remembering that our string line is going to be for the back of these blocks. Now it's quite simple. You just put one block in place, line it up with the string, and at this point we're just going to sit those blocks on there, making sure that they line up with that string line. Now what you don't want to do is put the block in place and then slide it up to the next block, because that will build up the concrete in between and you'll end up with a gap between the blocks. You want to put it in place and then just drop it down just gently. Step back and have a look at what you've done just to make sure you're happy with how everything looks. Okay, now we've put the first course down, we've laid them nice and straight to our string line, and as we showed with the spirit level, we have got the blocks running level that way. Now it's also important to have the blocks running level front to back. So once again we get another spirit level, we place it on top of each block individually, and this block needs to be tapped down at the back a bit just to make it level, and you just make those adjustments. You have to do every block. You've tapped those blocks down at the back or at the front, and you may have altered the line of those blocks against your string line. So once again, just come back, have a look and check the work you've done. And now that these blocks are level, I just need to tap a couple of them forward to make sure I'm happy with how they're lining up. As we make our courses up, we want to alternate the joins in the block. So the next course up, we want to join in the middle of this block, so that the blocks aren't sitting directly on top of each other. The blocks will have a mark in them at the back, which is about halfway. So just sit them on a soft surface, not on concrete. And this can take a little bit of time sometimes, but you just start giving the blocks a good hit with a hammer and bolster. Well, that was pretty easy. Okay, so we've cut our block in half and we're going to start on the next course. Now with these link blocks, these blocks are designed so that every course will step back 25 mil, or about the width of the heel that's on the bottom of these blocks. So we get this block, we sit it on top of this first block, and we just slide it forward so that that heel is hitting the back of the course below it, and just move it into place. Now because we started our first course was a full block, our second course started with a half, our next block up we're back with another full block. So we'll just go through and put this course on as well.